Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make this. They are very easy and fast to make, so let's see the materials that we will need. With this project I will use this chenille. It's Bernard blanket. Bernard blanket is the number 6, and with this chenille I will use 6.5 millimeters hook. You only need that the hook get the yarn good. If you want to use another number you can also do it, but I will use this one. This is orange, is mandarin colored yarn, is symphony of rain yarn, and with this one I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Is for the details. Of course we will need wool needle, scissors, staff, and this tobacco color yarn, or it's a brown dark. You can also use black, is only for the details on the eyes. And that's it. This is all the materials. Then let's start. Oh, here is the chickens. If you haven't seen that video yet, in the description of this video you can find the links and another link to make a litter's toys. Then we will start with a magic ring and 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and you can close the magic ring. If you think that your chenille broke when you close your magic ring, please use like acrylic yarn just for the magic ring, close, and that's it, and it will be better. But with this Bernard blanket, it's okay. You can close slow and doesn't break. Then now you can use some mark if you think that is necessary, because we will continue working in a spiral. And on round 2 we will make 8 increase. One single crochet. Make sure that you have 8 points, okay, to make this round. Then in the first single crochet on the previous round, one single crochet, one more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. Continue doing increase until finish this round with 16 points. On round 3 we will make 16 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only. Will be better for the base. One single crochet, 2, 3, and continue doing single crochet, just taking the back loop until finish this round. Now from round 4 to 7 we will make 16 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and repeating the same until round 7. On round 8 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 decrease, and I will make the traditional decrease. Continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 12 points. And on round 9, in the last round, we will make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. When you finish the round 9, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for clothes later using a wool needle. Don't put the stuffing yet and doesn't close yet because we will make the details. 1 in each side. Then we will work on round 6 in each side. Insert the hook taking the round 6 and using the same chenille, the same color, we will start making 2 chains, 1 and 2. And after that, in the next point, taking the round 6 again, 2 double crochet. Or, I'm so sorry, in the same base that you already start. You can make the double crochet double. The next point, one more. You can see how I made this, and later close both together. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch on the base of the last double crochet double. You can make the double crochet double or just the double crochet and will be okay. That's it. With both threads, you can secure inside. And we will repeat exactly the same on the other side. You can continue working on round 6 or depend of your fabric of your crochet, because maybe it's better if you work on round 5, depend of your crochet, but I think on the number 6 will be okay. Make sure that you made the another one on the another side. Taking the round 6 or the round that you prefer, we will repeat exactly the same. I leave about 6 points of separation, 6 or 5. Then 2 chains, 1 and 2, in the same base, 1 double crochet double, doesn't close, and in the next point, 1 more, and later close together. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch on the base of the last double crochet double. And that's it. Cut the yarn and secure inside. After this, we will put the stuffing. Also, we will close this piece, and I will show you using a finer thread, the color orange, how to make the legs. Very easy and fast to make. Then pay close attention and you can see how to do that. can use brown, coffee, or black, wherever you prefer. But you need to work on round 7. To make the chicken dick, we will use orange color yarn or mandarin color yarn with 2.5 millimeters hook. We will start with the slip knot. Leave long yarn in the beginning and will be easy to make the union with the body. Then the slip knot and 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And in the first chain, we will make 4 double crochet. Start the double crochet 1 and doesn't close yet because we will close the 4 double crochets together. 3 and 1 more. Everything in the same chain. And now you can close when you have 5 loops on the hook, you can close everything together. 1 chain for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to make the union with the body. And that's it. This is the bit. And we will make the union on round 6. Maybe it's easy if you use a wool needle. And then we already finished the chicken. I'm already made 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm already made 4. They are very easy and fast to make, and we will use just a few materials. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next amigurumi, bye bye!